got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? I got my ticket for the long way round. The one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers. But it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Dear Evan Hansen, we've been way too out of touch. Things have been crazy, and it sucks that we don't talk that much. But I should tell you that I think of you each night. I rub my nipples and start moaning with delight. I gotta tell you, life without ya has been hard, has been bad, has been rough, kinky. And I miss talking about life and other stuff. Turn it around, wait and see. 'Cause all that it takes is a little reinvention. Just wait and see. 'Cause all that it takes is a little reinvention. It's easy to change if you give it your attention. 'Cause all that it takes is a little reinvention. It's easy to change if you give it your attention. Sincerely me.